Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Roland here, and today we're going to be discussing my new Bluetooth speaker that I just got, and it is made by Crosley. It's the Crosley Charlotte Portable Bluetooth speaker. It's got the vintage look to it, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about it, including how you can win it. Coming up right now. So, let's get right down to it. First things first, let's open up the box. Let's pull out all the crap that's inside and see what you get with this speaker. And then I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what it's capable of. And then we're going to play some sound. And then lastly, I'm going to make sure that I tell you guys how you can win this speaker. First things first. I got it from TJ Maxx, local discount store, paid $24.99. You can get this on Amazon right now for around $35.99, and I think it's still free shipping. But point is, you can get on Amazon in multitude of colors, not just this vintage color. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what comes inside the box. All right, as we open it up, we see that there is a Bluetooth speaker inside, along with a bunch of styrofoam. Let's get rid of the box. All right, Bluetooth speaker, styrofoam. We have a limited warranty. Looks like we also have inside the box instruction manual for you folks who are not very good at hooking up a Bluetooth speaker. Like me, I had a really hard time getting it connected, but I'm going to show you how. And some silica stuff. These things are delicious. Just kidding, don't eat those. All right, on the side of the styrofoam here, we have a plug. And we have some wires. Let's get rid of that stuff. Let's get rid of the styrofoam. And let's get down to just the speaker itself in this plastic bag. All right, and there you have it. It is your Crosley Bluetooth speaker. Woohoo! Comes with a plug for the wall, AC plug, or a DC plug that is, I'm sorry, for your wall. And it has about a 5 foot or so cord. So that's kind of a handy little feature to charge it. The wires that it comes with here are RCA to 3.5 millimeter input jack. Now this will come in handy when you want to hook up something like an external CD player or a record player, for instance. It could come in handy, or if you want to hook up a portable Blu-ray player, DVD player. And then you have a 3.5 millimeter jack, and this so that way you can hook up your phone or whatever device you have manually to this speaker through the little jack inputs in the back there. So there are some inputs on the back of the speaker there so you can hook up other things. Speaker weighs about 2.25 pounds. It's about, let's find out here right now. I'll tell you exactly the dimensions. It is exactly 9 3/4 inches by 4 1/8 inches, and it is roughly 6 inches tall. So not too bad as far as dimensions go. It's something you can easily hold in your hand. You can put it on a shelf of a bookshelf. It won't take up too much space, and it has that really neat vintage look with the bronze accents. I mean, take a look at that. If I can get a close-up view here, it just has a really cool looking style to it, I think. The mesh grill, which is also metal, by the way. I like that feature. And then the buttons on top, and just the overall tweed, the way that they did the build quality of it is really good. It has screws holding down the edge bumpers, which are also bronze accented, rather than having little plastic grommets or little plastic rivets. It's actually got screws holding all the panels together, which is a nice little, feature. It makes it look like it's a little bit more quality built. On the back here, you do have a 5-volt USB connection, that is, and that's so that way once the speaker is on and powered, it can charge your phone at the same time. So that's kind of handy. Has a headphone input jack in the back. I guess that's so that way you can hook up headphones and listen to your music while you're also streaming the music to your Bluetooth speaker. Not really sure why you'd want to do all that, but it is what it is. Now, on the top, you have a button switch, which switches from auxiliary input to Bluetooth input. So once you turn the speaker on, using the on knob here, which is, by the way, a little slippery and a little hard to grab, Once you turn the speaker on, that's when you can hit that Bluetooth button, and that'll put it in pairing mode for the first time. From that point on, once you turn on the speaker again later on, it'll automatically go into pairing mode. So we're going to switch it on here, and you'll hear a little sound because it's switched on and it's looking for the pairing device. There we go. And that last little beep means that it is connected. So it is now connected to my iPhone. So let's go ahead and hook it up, and let's see if we can get some music playing to see what it sounds like. That's me typing in my passcode. All right, here we go. The volume is really low currently right now. I'm going to turn the volume up. All right, sounds pretty decent. It's not super great in the bass department, but it does sound pretty good. I kind of like it. I can see it being something that I would put on the shelf and I would use when I have guests over and I want to have some background music, but I don't want to have it too loud. You could always have your Echo device out on the shelf playing music also, but does it look like this? No. This thing looks cool, and it just has this neat effect with the tweed and with the brass or bronze hardware, whatever you want to call it. So I think that this is a pretty neat little speaker. I dig it. But the original price was $80-something. I don't like it for that price, but I do like it for $35, which is on Amazon what it's going for. And once again, you can win this speaker, and all I ask is that you do one thing, and that is to like and subscribe, and please put the word Crosley in the comment section below. Type in the word Crosley. I don't even care if you spell it right. Just put the word Crosley in the comment below. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be pulling all the names of those people that commented Crosley, and this speaker will be shipped to one of you people free of charge, unless you live in the other side of the world. If you live in the lower 48 states in the United States, yes, free shipping, and it'll be a free speaker in the box with everything that I got included, and you will enjoy it. So please comment Crosley down below, like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Check out my other videos, including my Casio Duro giveaway that I have going on right now. Once again, same thing. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving some stuff away, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.